this is nice. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Over the course of doing live sales, there have been specific brands that are definitely hot to pick up. And I have, needless to say, been on the hunt for several of these brands. And I just found one of them that I think you guys are gonna be ecstatic to get your hands on. It is the brand Good American. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with this brand, this, if I remember correctly, is Kourtney Kardashian's brand. Fun little fact about me, I've never watched a Kardashian show, so I really don't know a whole lot about them. It's just based on what I remember. I believe Kim is Skims, and then Khloe is Good American, and then Kylie Jenner has her makeup brand. You get the gist. So this brand, from what I have heard, is very size inclusive. There's denim, there's bodysuits, there's clothing, very neutral palette, and with different pops of color now and again with different seasons. And this brand is expensive. Like, retail is expensive. In fact, I actually just watched a video on YouTube from HopeScope, and she did an unboxing of this brand. I believe she paid over $1,000 for this like haul that she ended up doing. And so here it is, you guys. I'm gonna give you the information, and we are going to do an unboxing of Good American clothing. Let's get into it. First and foremost, where can you find this brand? And that is at boutiquebythebox.com. This is a brand that I've had on my radar for quite some time. Reason being is because I love the brands that you can get there. They are wholesale boxes that you can get from like 5 pieces all the way up to 50, if I remember correctly. They have tons of really high-end brands. Brands like Ted Baker, Revolve, Good American, which we're gonna open now. L'Agence, I think is how you pronounce the other one. And you guys, I have a discount code for you, and I'm so excited about that, because I will say some of these items, cost per unit, can get a little pricey, but don't worry, your girl came in. Check out the description down below. It will give you that link that you can use, and I will double check before we get this one out, but I believe every single order you have, you can use my discount code. Hooray! I'm so excited about that. The other thing that I really appreciate is if you have never tried out a brand before and you kind of want to dabble with it, whether in live shows or on your eBay or Poshmark store, this is a great way to do it. It's an opportunity for you to get brand new pieces, try it out, see if it works for you, and then be able to purchase maybe larger quantities later. I will be frank and say, this site sells out like all the time. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you take a look at their website, see which brands you're interested in, and get on the wait list of each one, because when it drops, it sells out. There was actually Daydreamer that launched, and I was trying to get my hands on some. Literally hadn't even been live for 24 hours, and it ended up selling out. So make sure if there's any brands that have interested you, that you go on there and get on the watch list. The other important thing that I do wanna disclose with this box is they did send this one to me. Like I said, I had this website on my radar for quite some time, but I did not take the plunge about the time that I was looking at doing it, because my good friend Lindsay Nicole had been purchasing from them, and I was like, okay, I've seen her what sold, and I've seen that she's making an amazing profit off of these items. I'm gonna go purchase from them. They actually reached out to me and let me know that they were getting Good American in. So we have this one right now, but it is already sold out on their website. The caveat to that is, in just a couple weeks, they are gonna get more Good American in, which is why I wanted to get this video out to you immediately, so that way you knew it was on your radar and you could get ready to purchase. So what I ended up getting was 2 different boxes with 5 pieces. The first one is Good American Jeans and More ready to wear assortment, and then I also got, it says Good American Jeans and More jeans only. So we have the ready to wear assortment and the jeans only. Let's see what I ended up getting. Here is the box right here. Now, I only got 1 box to my doorstep, and I was kind of anticipating 2 boxes, so hopefully everything is in here, because I mean, it's a pretty big box.
20 minutes later.
My camera knew the suspense was killing me, because it literally died the minute I opened this box. So let's actually get into it now. I've been waiting. So here is what the box looks like inside. Why do you totally like do that to me? Come on, digital camera, you know better. So the first thing we have is a piece of paper. Love it. I did take a quick peek to make sure that we do have all the pieces inside of here, and we do. Also wanted to mention that one of the boxes is $125 and the other box is $120. I will put on the screen what that means per cost of good. The first item, ooh, she's cute. Okay, really quick, Good American is like a vanity sizing. It kind of reminds me of like Torrid sizing. So I'm going to say the sizing here, but that does not equate to what it actually means, and I can't remember off the top of my head. I believe 1 is medium, because I feel like 0 is small. Maybe 0 is extra small. See, I'm not gonna be able to do it on screen. Maybe if I remember, I'll put the size chart right here just for reference so you guys can know what sizes I do have as we're unboxing this. And also, just really quick plug, if you will, all these items will be in my live shows. So if you are not following my Poshmark store, if you are not on our text alert program, which yes, we finally did that, hooray, hooray. I am texting alerts with the link the day that we are going to have a live, so that way you know precisely where the live is going to be. But as per usual, I am normally going live Wednesdays and Sundays at 5:15 Pacific Standard. And I will have these items in there. So if you're watching this and you're like, man, I want something, and you see that's already sold, sorry, you missed out. So first item we have here is this beautiful romper. Again, brand new with the tags. It says the retail is $99, and this one is a size 1. Perfect for spring. I love this. Oh, I also had 2 little cards in here. One says, welcome, Boutique by the Box is here to support you far and beyond our custom curated boxes. Post your unboxing hauls, yada yada. Let you know that you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. And I love this. It actually has an inspected triple count chart that they actually sign, which I thought was pretty cool. So next item we have is some nice raw hem jeans. They look like they do have like a boot cut. I don't know if I'll be able to show you fully on the screen. Great light wash, perfect again for spring and summer. And this one is a size 16, so more of like your standard sizing. I do love a good larger size though, so that's a win. And I can't see based on the stickers, I'm assuming that this one is probably in that like $100, $140 range per what I've seen before with Good American. Here is what the bottoms look like. I do love that raw hem. Next we have, oh, this is nice. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so this is a Good American, a size 2. So again, is that a small? Is that a medium? Probably a medium, I don't know. We're moving on. Here it is. I love a black denim, and this is actually a jumpsuit. This reminds me of like a utility style jumpsuit. Does have the awesome collar right here. You guys, this is amazing. And the retail of this one is $155. See what I mean? Even though you're spending up on some of these items, guys, this is great quality stuff, and this brand is sought after right now. Like, it is a massive win. If Hope Scope was doing unboxings of it, you better believe this is a good brand. Oh, these are darling. I love these. So it is a faux leather shorts. I love the elastic. They feel soft and buttery. I am such a fan. Now this one is a size 3, and honestly that looks like it would fit me. So I'm believing that 3 means large. We'll go with that for now. The retail of this one is $119. Win. Next we have a size 10, waist 30. So their jeans seem to be more in like standard sizing. I think it's more of their tops, jumpsuits, and bodysuits that are in that different sizing. So these are nice. So retail of this one is $159, which tells me I was pretty on par with that other one. I kind of wanted to guess $149. They do have some raw hem detail kind of around the knees, straight leg. I love this. I might have to try this one on. It'll still be in the show, but I gotta try it. I gotta know what size I am, you know? Ooh. Oh, I thought this was gonna be a jumpsuit. I was about to scream. Nonetheless, still a beautiful item. Gotta have a little black dress. This one is a long sleeve. Ooh, I love that right there. So it has like a wire there to give that little look. I love the cut up here. That is gorgeous. The material feels very soft and very stretchy. Yeah, so it's a perfect little black dress. Based on the way that it feels at the bottom, I believe there's a liner on the inside. Retail is $99 on this thing. The quality is there. I'm thoroughly impressed. Yeah, so it does have another liner here on the inside. Just curious since we're down here. Recycled polyester and rayon. I could have guessed that. 9% elastane as well. Oops, my bread is ready, hold on. Yeah, I mentioned in another video that I like make sourdough stuff now, right? Right? I think so. Anyways. All right, our next few items, we gotta go quick because I can already see the charge is not happy with me because I did not wait for it to fully charge. So this is 145 retail. This one is a size 0, waist also size 25. The color looks pretty similar to the ones that I just pulled out. Next, we have a size 14, 32. And the style of this one is called Good Classic Raw Edge Afterwash. That's kind of neat. So another pair. So still in the bag, which is awesome. You can see right here that it's the manufactured bag. So we love that. And I love it even more so because the sticker will sometimes show more style information compared to what is on the item itself. So that's a win. These are black, they're a size 6. I love the variety of sizes. Great size, not like all one size. I know that in the past they have done like one size boxes, but this one's a great variety. Good waist. Here is the way the back is. They do have some raw hem detail right at the knee, but you can't really see, but this is actually, you've got some string right there. So it's not completely exposing your knee. Love that. And the last one we have is a size 025, and this one is called the Good Boy style. Oh, this one looks fun. Let's open this one up too. So really quick, as I am opening this up, once again, make sure you check out their website, get on the wait list for different boxes that you're interested in, particularly if you're interested in the larger quantities, because those go so fast. The more quantity you do get, the cheaper it is cost per good. And here is what it looks like. Look at the sides. That is so much fun. I cannot wait. Look, it goes like all the way down. That is amazing. So whatever doesn't sell in my live shows, I will be putting it in my Poshmark and eBay store. So I will probably report back and let you guys know how this box went for me. And again, thank you Boutique by the Box for working with me to get an affiliate code and showcasing some of the amazing pieces that you are having now and have coming in the next couple weeks. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.